So here is the experience, the way to get up. So you come up our path, come on over to our custom built stairs to get to the top. This here is the pusher's platform, and up here of course is the sledding run. Come on to the top, and here's the run. Down, scream like a girl, down, How Olympics 2000. Here we go. Now we'll demonstrate how to break your neck. I'm coming right in. I'm doing one run and coming in. All right. What? Because we're coming in. We're both coming in. Because we're tired and cold and going to have hot chocolate. But I thought I'd make a film first. All right. You ready to watch? Here I go. Woohoo! Ah! Ah! Buddy! Ah!